Good morning class. Today in this video I will continue line wise explanation of the chapter Triumph of Surgery. They were days of deep content. Content means satisfaction. When Dr. Harriet started getting wine, eggs, brandy from Mrs. Pumphrey, then his days were very happy days because he used to drink wine, he used to eat eggs without any expense. So the days of Dr. Harriet were very happy days and he was very glad to get all these things from Mrs. Pumphrey, and he was not giving any of these things to Tricky because he knew that only overeating and these extra things are the main cause of Tricky's illness. Starting well with the extra egg in the morning, daily in the morning, he used to eat the extra eggs, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and when there was midday, he used to drink wine and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. In the early morning, he used to eat eggs, and in the mid of the day, he used to drink wine, and at night, by sitting near round the fire, he used to drink brandy. Thus, the days of Dr. Harriet were very happy days. He was very happy to get all these things from Mrs. Pumphrey because he had not to spend even a single rupee for all these things. It was a temptation. Temptation means here greed to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. Now, when he start getting from all these things from Mrs. Pumphrey, then a temptation, a greed created in the heart of Dr. Harriet that he should keep Tricky as his permanent guest. When Tricky would be his permanent guest, then Dr. Harriet continuously keep on getting all these things, brandy, wine, eggs from Mrs. Pumphrey without any expense. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Dr. Harriet also aware of this fact that Mrs. Pumphrey loved Tricky very much, and she did not have Tricky with her, so she was suffering from the company of Tricky because he was not having the company of Tricky for a long time, because during these days Tricky was hospitalized in the veterinary hospital. So after fortnight, means after 15 days, Dr. Harriet was compelled, he was forced, and he phoned Mrs. Pumphrey and informed her that your dog Tricky was recovered now. Now she could come and she could take her dog from the veterinary hospital. Hearing this information, Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside surgery. Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy to get this news from Dr. Harriet. Within minutes, she did not take 1 hour, 2 hours. Within few minutes, she came to the veterinary hospital, and she came in a gleaming means shining black car to the outside of the hospital. Here it shows, her car shows that really Mrs. Pumphrey was very rich lady. The chauffeur opened the door. Chauffeur means here driver. Driver of the car opened the door of Mrs. Pumphrey's car. I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. When Dr. Harriet saw the figure of appearance of Mrs. Pumphrey, that was she was entering in the hospital. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Mrs. Pumphrey tied her hands and she was hanging her hands in front of her. Her lips trembled. Her lips were shivering. Why? Because she was looking very anxious to see Tricky. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? And she was looking very curious. She was looking very eager, and very eagerly she asked Dr. Harriet that her dog was truly recovered or not. Is he really better or not? Yes, he is fine. Dr. Harriet very gladly informed her that her dog, her pet, Tricky, is now out of danger and he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. Here the respect which Dr. Harriet was giving to Mrs. Pumphrey, it also shows that Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady and respected lady. That's why Dr. Harriet said to Mrs. Pumphrey that there was no need to come out of her car. Stay here. I will go to the veterinary hospital and I will bring Tricky near your car. I'll go and fetch him. Fetch means bring. Dr. Harriet assured Mrs. Pumphrey that stay here. I will go to the veterinary hospital and I will bring your dog to you. I walked through the house into the garden. Dr. Harriet went to the veterinary hospital. First he entered past the house, and after crossing the house he reached to the garden that was in the hospital. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was little golden figure of Tricky. And in the garden, Tricky was surrounded by a great number of dogs in the lawn. And in the middle of the dogs, Tricky was sitting and he was flapping his ears, he was moving his tail, and he was looking very beautiful because his color was golden, and in the middle of the dog he was sitting.